Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating the environment, check for a reported outage, and verify your device network. Once done, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and restart the router to rule out ISP issues. Make sure to force close Wattpad, clear the app cache, and log out of your account before trying again. If the app version looks outdated, reinstall from the official store. This eliminates corrupted binaries. These first actions separate local problems from server-side faults quickly and efficiently. Next, gather diagnostic evidence so you understand the failure pattern. Note error codes, timestamps, and reproduce the issue while capturing logs. Once you have data, try signing in with a different account or use another device. That tells you whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific. Make sure to switch DNS to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and flush the DNS cache to remove stale domain mappings. This targeted approach narrows the root cause and guides the fix steps. To finish, submit a concise support ticket to Wattpad including logs, your IP, device model, app version, and exact timestamps so engineers can reproduce the issue. Once submitted, wait 10-15 minutes and retry using both the web interface and mobile app. If you suspect regional filtering, test with a VPN. Make sure to request escalation if the error persists and keep a record of all actions taken. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, a VPN or different region test often reveals whether the problem is localized or server-wide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.